Helen of Troy is making its products available to the public for the first time. Now at the Helen of Troy Warehouse Outlet, you can buy at wholesale prices with savings of 50 to 90% off retail.
This just in. For September only, you'll receive a free Design Series Revlon Shine Boosting Hairdryer, a $25 value with any purchase of $25 or more. Limit 1 per person per day.
Thousands of products you just have to see to believe. All at 50 to 90% off. The Helen of Troy Warehouse Outlet on the north side entrance of Helen of Troy corporate offices between Red and Artcraft. Open Wednesday through Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.